In this video, I will share with you how to create a perfect dashboard in just 15 minutes. And you don't need to do complicated operations on Excel. You just need to prepare your data sheet. In the first step, I will teach you how to convert a table into a corresponding chart. In the second step, I will teach you how to combine these charts into a dashboard. Let's get started. First, to demonstrate, I have prepared 4 forms. Next, we will convert these 4 tables into corresponding charts. Here, we need to use an application. It's very convenient to make very beautiful diagrams. You can find it in the App Store. Open the app. In the upper right corner, there is a table entrance. Here, we can import an Excel file. So what I need to do is download my forms, then click the Pick button. We can import the form file we just downloaded into the application. You can see that all 4 forms have been imported into the application. Click the button to chart. You can convert the table into a chart. There are many types of charts that can be generated here. We want to generate a histogram. Then choose the after the selection is completed, you go to an edit page. We can make some adjustments to the For example, adjusting the data of the order after the adjustment is completed. The preview window on the left will be refreshed in real time. Then switch to the values window. Here we can modify the value of each dimension. For example, since it's August, the data for the next 4 months is not yet available. So we can fill in the data we predicted first. Click Save. After saving, the modified data will be refreshed. You can also change the color of the history. For example, I want to highlight the month with the highest data value and lighten the color of the last 4 months. Then we can set the color it displays for each month. And here's the final step, is to adjust the appearance of the bar chart. That's the power of this app. It supports a lot of appearance properties that can be modified for you, so you can let your imagination run wild. Finally, you need to save the diagram. In fact, you can also export this chart directly as a picture, and the pictures are very high definition. Finally, you can find the chart you just made on the app's template page. Next, we need to convert the remaining 3 tables into charts as well. They're doing the same thing. So here I have accelerated the video. When all the diagrams are done, we can proceed to the next step of making the dashboard. There is also a dashboard entrance in the upper right corner of the application. Click on the new dashboard in the upper right corner. We are entered into an edit page. You can see that there are 3 windows of card, chart, and test in the upper right corner. So the first step is to use cards to build the most basic outline. All components can be dragged to adjust their position and size. Very intuitive and convenient. In addition, you can also set the theme of the card, in addition to the most basic flat style. It also offers a levitating style, cyberpunk style, and so on. In this video, I'll use the most basic cards to complete the production. We can adjust some properties of the card, like its rounded corners. Let's accelerate the video. The outline of such a dashboard is already done. Next, we need to drag and drop the corresponding chart. We can click on a card to lock the card layer. This way, it can no longer be selected. Drag in the chart you just made, then go and resize it. The same goes for all the other charts. Drag them in, and you can make some fine-tuning of their properties. You can still go to the chart making page, make further adjustments to its properties after the adjustment is completed. You just need to click the apply button in the upper right corner. Let's speed up the video. Then the last step is to add its corresponding text description to our dashboard. Same as the previous steps, you just drag the text in, then modify its content. Just adjust its position. Congratulations, you have completed the dashboard after saving it. You can then export it as a picture. I'm excited to share the dashboard with you all. If you are not inspired to design dashboards, please subscribe to me. I will often share various beautiful dashboard designs.